This will be 3 rounds, 3 minutes each round, and 1 minute interval. Once again, introducing first, fighting out of the red corner, national champion and Asian Games bronze medalist, ladies and gentlemen, Jun Milardo Ogaire. And his opponent in the blue corner, national team boxer, two-time Olympian, Olympic silver medalist flyweight in the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, and Asian Championship gold medalist proudly representing Cagayan de Oro, needing no introduction, Carlo Paalam. Once again, 3 rounds, 3 minutes each round, and 1 minute interval.
National team boxer, two-time Olympian, Olympic silver medalist in Tokyo 2020 Olympics and SEA Games gold medalist, Asian Championship. So, yan po yung record. So, gold medalist sa SEA Games and bronze medalist sa Olympics. Itong si Carlo Paalam. And both are national team members. And they're showing their best at this very moment. Dito sa match na to. Nakita nyo naman kung gaano kagaling yung mga galaw ng dalawang mga veteranong mga boksingero, si national team boxer and national champion, no? Itong bronze medalist na si Jun Milardo Ogaire. Madali siyang na-scout to represent the country sa Olympics. Dalawang beses na ito. Olympic silver medalist at sa Asian Games gold medal din po ito sa SEA Games sa Thailand.
Last 10 seconds.
Last 10 seconds on this round. Paalam against Ogaire, the Philippine team.
Number 1.
Mga maglalaro ko din ito at maglalaro to represent the Philippines in the next game this year in Japan. Power punches combination by Ogaire. Na umipit kay Paalam sa lubid pero nakaalpas si Paalam. Tingnan natin kung babawi din itong si Paalam sa ginawa sa kanya ni Ogaire. 1-2 combinations by Paalam. Ogaire trying to control the momentum at this point. Mabilis din umiwas itong si Paalam yung mga galawang Olympian ang nakikita natin. Last 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
End of the round.
Second round. Third and final round.
Ladies and gentlemen, the third and final round between Jun Milardo Ogaire and Carlo Paalam. Itong mga dalawang Olympian natin na nagtutunggali ngayon sa ring. Right here in Zamboanga City, Vitaliano Hagan Coliseum, live via Pilipinas Live, Signal TV and Bistil Sports Channel. 1-2 combinations by Paalam. Ogaire trying to contain the punches. Power punches thrown by Paalam. Unlimited itong mga suntok ni Paalam. Yan yung mga galawang Olympian. Puro patama sa katawan ang mga power combinations. Up and down. Towards the body. Mga body shots na humipitik. Ogaire has the speed and power to Ogaire. Pinipilit na idiin si Paalam sa lubid, pero maingat si Paalam, hindi nagpapaiwan dito kay Ogaire na alam niyang mas veterano sa kanya. Isa sa mga veteranong amateur boxing referee dito sa Zamboanga. Magandang gabi sa ating mga ABAP referees. And of course, the GAB referees who are facilitating these matches tonight in the amateur and professional boxing. El Puño Zamboangueño, live in Zamboanga City. Paalam. Yan yung sinasabi ko, mga power punches ni Paalam na tinotodo lahat. Alamani Pacquiao moves. Last 10 seconds in the third and final round.
10 seconds.
Ito mga national team members natin ang naglalaro. Ogaire and Paalam.
Of the bound, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the two members of our Philippine national boxing team. Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of amateur boxing, we have a winner by split decision. Your winner, red corner, June Bilardo Ogaire from Japan.